So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to book a flight on United Airlines. So first of all, let's just type out this United Airlines and you can see airline tickets, travel deals and flights. So just open the first link that pops up and you'll be redirected right here so you can sign in or create an account. But you can even book your flight without any of that. So on here you can see book, flight status, check-in and my trips. On the book you can choose round trip and one way. So let's choose some destination. And let's type out London. And you can choose a specific airport or any airport in that city. Departure date, let's choose some date that's, let's say, the 31st. One adult, economy class. You can switch between premium economy, business or first. So let's just choose economy and click on find flights. After that, going to search through all the flights. So once you find your flight, you can see here there are many options and you can see it's in your price range. It starts at the lowest cost and it goes up. So let's choose the first thing that pops up. So you can choose basic economy works for me. So you can choose that, then choose that ticket underneath. You will just need to click on that. Through here, you're going to be redirected to traveler info. Once you've typed all that, you'll then be redirected to your checkout. And after that, just put in your card information and you will have your ticket in your email. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on United Airlines or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.